Hey, Kevin.
And Juvie.
Red Living Philippines. So my Filipina handy woman is going to change the spigot on the faucet. It's leaking at the spigot up on top of the carport to water the plants. Check it out. Watch her in action. So up here on the carport, we have these plants. Use that spigot to water these plants.
That's it. With it off. So my sister.
It's leaking when it's off. We're gonna have her.
And the person that put this up here didn't put a check valve somewhere where we can shut the water off, so we can replace it. So now we're gonna have to shut off the main, which is over there. My sister Dory's gonna shut it off. All right.
The main to the house.
Yeah.
Out on the street where they read the water meter.
So it's right outside. She's gonna shut it off. Wait!
Yeah, what she said.
Are you sure?
Looks like the water stopped running, so the water's off.
So it is off? Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's turn this sucker off. I mean, take it off.
Went to the movies today at the SM Mall. Watched Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes, the third in the newer installments. It's okay.
All right.
And
Oh, shit.
went to Ace Hardware to pick up that water spigot. Well, there you go.
Oh, there you go. It's like tight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one of this check valve right here, and then the spigot right here.
No Teflon tape?
Yeah, I'm gonna. Silly. I have Teflon tape. Of course there'll be Teflon tape. Hopefully this will work. I need quite a bit. This way. Oh shoot. Hopefully I got another one. I need to find more Teflon. And then stop it. I'll find more Teflon.
Okay, more Teflon tape. Rained out pretty hard today, but it's fairly clear out now. It's just past 5:30. Got a few clouds out towards Clark. But it's pretty clear blue out towards Riot and Magallon.
Okay.
Teflon tape.
I guess it doesn't matter which way. Oops. I need more Teflon. It's loose.
Did you get the right size?
Yeah, that's the one that they gave me.
That doesn't mean it's right. I could have given you the wrong one.
It's 1/2. I just need to put more Teflon. I don't want to try it and then make it fail. Yeah.
Wrapping it up. Wrapping.
So hot.
So you decided to put the a gate valve before the spigot. That way they don't have to turn the house water off because no one has water right now. No water. It's probably good there.
Does it matter if it's on the right?
Is the little pipe part tight? You can turn them both a little bit till it's on top. Where's your pump pliers?
I don't want to over tighten that.
Oh yeah, you snap the plastic.
It's metal, but sige, it's okay. Wait a minute.
No, the valve is metal, but I'm talking the plastic pipe plumbing.
Try me, maka-opio. Of course, I'll try it first. You.
Size it up, that way you spin the Teflon in the right direction so it doesn't unspool the Teflon.
Don't need
That one fits tighter than the steel pipe, doesn't it?
Sit on. I'm so awkward with this. There we go.
Oh. Just turning the water on to see if the gate valve leaks and the pipe, the short pipe, 1/2-inch pipe.
All right.
No leaks.
No leaks.
So the water of the house is back on, no leaks. There, now test the water, see if the water comes out, or see if that one leaks.
I know. It's open. And we got water. Yay! Fixed.
And there you have it. She fixed it.
No leak. Nothing.
All right, Kevin and Juvie, Red Living Philippines. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, leave a comment. Have a nice day. Another episode of our Filipina handywoman in the Philippines.
See you guys next time.